Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create landing page in Odoo. We'll walk through the full process of creating a landing page from inside the Odoo website builder, starting from the home screen and ending with your new page created and ready for editing. This is a simple workflow, and once you know where everything is, it only takes a few moments to set up. A landing page is useful when you want one focused page for a campaign, product, service, sign-up form, special offer, or lead generation. To begin, go to the Odoo home screen. This is your starting point, where you can access the different apps and tools available in your Odoo environment. From here, look for the website app and click on it. This takes you into the website management area, where you can build and organize pages for your site. This is also where you can manage your website content, menus, design blocks, and page structure. Once you're inside the website section, click on New. This is the option that lets you start creating fresh content. Odoo will then show you different creation options, and here you'll want to click on Create a New Page. That tells Odoo you want to build a brand new web page rather than edit an existing one. This is helpful when you want a separate page for a specific purpose, instead of changing your home page or service pages. Next, choose the landing page option, and then select a landing page template. This part is important because the template gives you a starting layout. It can save time and help you create a more polished page right away. Pick the template that best matches the style or purpose of the page you want to build. For example, if your landing page is for collecting leads, choose a template with a clear form section. If it's for promoting a product, choose a layout that gives enough space for images, benefits, and a strong call to action. If you're not completely sure, don't worry too much. Templates can usually be customized later. After selecting the template, type in your landing page title. Choose a title that clearly reflects the purpose of the page, since this can make it easier to identify later when managing your website content. A clear title also helps keep your pages organized, especially if your site grows over time. For example, you might name it something like Summer Offer, Product Demo, Free Consultation, or New Service Launch, depending on what the page is about. Once the title is entered, click on Create. Odoo will then generate your new landing page based on the template you selected and the title you provided. At this point, your page is officially created and ready for the next stage, which is customizing the content, layout, images, and messaging to match your goals. From here, you can edit the text, replace images, add buttons, include forms, and adjust sections so the page feels more relevant to your audience. A quick tip before you move on. It's a good idea to think about the objective of your landing page before you start editing, whether it's for lead generation, promoting a product, or sharing a special offer. Having that goal in mind will help you shape the page more effectively. Try to keep the page focused on one main action, such as filling out a form, booking a call, buying a product, or clicking a button, because too many options can distract visitors. And that's it! You've successfully created a landing page in Odoo. After this, you can continue editing the page, preview it on desktop and mobile, and make sure your message, images, and call to action are clear before publishing or sharing the page link.